Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a new AI tool that could totally revolutionize how you find background music. The idea is wild, creating a unique soundtrack from just a single image. So, let's see how this thing actually works. Okay, first, let's talk about a problem that I am sure every single content creator has dealt with. I'm talking about that frustrating, time-sucking hunt for the perfect audio track. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Your video is edited, it looks fantastic, but now you're just scrolling and scrolling through endless libraries of stock music. Upbeat corporate, sad piano, epic cinematic. You listen to track after track, and nothing quite fits the mood. It can take hours, and it just completely kills your creative momentum. And that's really the core of it. It's not just about finding any music. It's about finding the right music. You need a track that perfectly matches the vibe, the emotion, the whole story you're telling. It's a massive creative hurdle and, let's be honest, a major headache. But what if you could just skip that whole process? What if you could create the perfect soundtrack in seconds using a completely new approach? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. So here it is, the game-changing idea. Forget keywords and genre filters. Imagine taking a single keyframe from your video, a dramatic landscape, a busy city scene, an emotional close-up, and just having an AI analyze that picture to compose music that perfectly matches its mood and style. Now, what's really cool about this is how accessible it is. We're not talking about some complex, expensive desktop software. This is a tool you can use right from your smartphone, which makes it absolutely perfect for creating content on the fly. So, how does this all happen? It sounds kind of like magic, and you're probably thinking it's gotta be complicated. But really, the process couldn't be simpler. Let's break down the steps. The whole thing is incredibly streamlined. You just go to the website, upload your image, maybe choose from a couple of different AI models, and then you click one button. That's it. No music theory needed, no complex settings to mess with, just 4 simple steps. And here's the best part. You aren't waiting around for minutes or even hours for this to render. The AI gets it done in just a few seconds. The time you save is just incredible. I mean, think about all those hours you used to spend searching, now just compressed into a single click. The most crucial part, though, is the result. In just a few seconds, you've generated music that's specifically tailored, or as the source material puts it, accurate for your video. The AI is essentially interpreting all that visual data, the colors, the subjects, the composition, and translating that mood into sound. So let's just zoom out for a second and think about the bigger picture here. This is so much more than just a neat trick. It really could be a fundamental shift in the creative workflow for anyone who's making videos. So here are the key takeaways. First, you get an instant soundtrack which gets rid of that massive time sink. Second, you get a perfectly accurate vibe because the music is literally born from your visuals. And third, it dramatically simplifies your whole creative process. It removes a major point of frustration and lets you get back to focusing on the storytelling. And that really leaves us with one final, and I think pretty exciting question. With a tool that can instantly create the perfect audio mood for any image, what kind of new creative possibilities does that open up for you? Just think about it for a second. What will you create now?